What if we told you that you've been looking at money all wrong? Most people don't really get what money is or how it works. They think it's just for paying bills, buying stuff, or keeping the lights on. But here's the thing. Money is so much more than that. It's a gateway to freedom, opportunity, and a life you can actually enjoy. In the next few minutes, we're going to change the way you think about money forever. So buckle up. Welcome to the next level of wealth. Let's dive in. 1. Money is a key, not a destination. People think of money as the end goal. But let's flip that script. Money is just the key to unlocking doors of opportunity. Imagine you've got a huge mansion with endless rooms, and each one holds something valuable. Freedom, security, joy, health, adventure. Money is just the key that gets you inside. But here's the catch. Most people spend their lives standing outside, staring at the door. They think money itself is the prize when in reality, it's what money opens up that really matters. The key alone won't make you happy, but it can get you into the room where happiness lives. 2. Think of money like electricity. It powers your life. Imagine your life is a house and money is the electricity running through it. Without electricity, you can't turn on the lights, heat the house, or even charge your phone. It powers everything. But here's the twist. You don't sit around obsessing about the electricity itself, do you? You think about what it lets you do, watch TV, cook dinner, keep your home warm. That's how you should think about money. It's not the thing itself that matters, but the energy it gives you to live the life you want. The more you understand that, the more you can stop worrying about money and start focusing on how to use it. 3. Money is like water, it flows to where you direct it. Picture money like water flowing through a river. It doesn't sit still. It's always moving. And you know what? You control the flow. If you dig a ditch in the right direction, you can guide that water to irrigate your fields, grow your crops, and make sure your land stays fertile. But if you're not paying attention, that water's just going to flow away, leaving you high and dry. The rich understand this. They know how to channel their money, directing it toward investments that multiply. So ask yourself, are you letting your money flow away, or are you digging channels to make it work for you? 4. Money is like a compass, showing you the way. You ever feel lost in life, unsure of where you're headed? Well, money can be your compass, pointing you in the right direction. It shows you the best paths to take, whether it's in business, investing, or even personal growth. But here's the trick. The compass only works if you know where you're going. Too many people let money lead them into dead ends because they don't have a destination in mind. They're just chasing money for the sake of it. But if you know your true north, whether it's financial freedom, more time with family, or pursuing a passion, money can guide you there. 5. Money is a seed. Plant it and watch it grow. You've probably heard the phrase money doesn't grow on trees, right? Well, that's only half true. Money may not grow on trees, but it can certainly grow if you plant it right. Every dollar you earn is a seed, and if you plant it in the right soil, smart investments, savings, or your own education, it'll grow into something bigger. But what do most people do? They eat their seeds. They spend every dollar they make on things that don't grow, like clothes, gadgets, or short-term pleasures. If you want real wealth, you've got to start thinking like a farmer. Plant your seeds, give them time, and watch your forest grow. 6. Money is a ladder. Each rung takes you higher. So think of money like a ladder. Every rung represents a new level of freedom and security. The bottom rungs might be paying off debt, covering your rent, or building an emergency fund. As you climb higher, the rungs start to represent things like buying a house, traveling the world, or starting your own business. But here's the thing, you can't skip rungs. Too many people want to leap straight to the top without building the foundation first. They get themselves into debt or make risky investments without having a safety net. The secret to real financial success? One step at a time. 7. Money is like a mirror. It reflects your choices. I want to know what your relationship with money really looks like? Look at your bank account. It's a mirror of your decisions. Every purchase, every investment, every bit of debt reflects the choices you've made up until now. If you don't like what you see in the mirror, it's time to start making different choices. The good news? Mirrors can change. If you start making better financial decisions today, like saving, investing, or cutting unnecessary expenses, you'll see a new reflection in a few months or years. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about the story those numbers tell. 8. Money is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Imagine your finances are like a muscle. The more you work it, the stronger it becomes. But here's the catch. If you don't use it, it weakens. That's why saving and investing are like going to the gym for your money. Each time you save or invest, you're strengthening your financial muscle. The more reps you do, the easier it gets to lift heavier weights. And just like working out, consistency is key. You don't build muscle overnight, and you won't build wealth overnight either. But if you keep at it, you'll be surprised how strong your financial muscles can get. 9. Money is a game. The rules are simple, but most people don't play. Think of money like a game. There are clear rules. Spend less than you earn, invest wisely, don't take on bad debt. Simple, right? But here's the crazy part. Most people don't play by these rules. They make up their own, like I'll start saving next year, or I deserve to treat myself now, and then they wonder why they're losing the game. The truth is, once you know the real rules, money becomes a lot easier to manage. You start seeing opportunities to win instead of obstacles that keep you down. So what's your game plan? 10. Money is like a magnet. The more you have, the more you attract. Ever notice how people who have money seem to keep making more? That's because money is like a magnet. It attracts more of itself. The more you have, the more opportunities come your way. But here's the secret. You've got to create that first bit of magnetism. Once you start saving and investing, even small amounts, you'll start to see how money pulls in more money. It's why the rich get richer. They understand how to harness this magnetic pull. If you want to attract more wealth into your life, start building your money magnet. 11. Money is like oxygen. You don't think about it until it's gone. Just like oxygen, you don't really think about money when you have enough, but the moment you run out, it's all you can focus on. If you're struggling with finances, it can feel suffocating. But there's good news. You can create your own oxygen supply by building financial habits that keep you breathing easy, like having an emergency fund, diversifying your income streams, and staying out of debt. Once you've got that steady flow of financial oxygen, you can stop worrying about money and start enjoying life. 12. Money is like a garden. Tend to it, and it will bloom. Your financial life is like a garden. If you don't tend to it, weeds will grow. Things like debt, missed opportunities, and financial stress. But if you nurture it, water it with smart decisions, and give it sunlight in the form of time and patience, your financial garden will bloom. The problem is, most people neglect their gardens. They let their finances run wild, hoping everything will work out on its own. Newsflash, it won't. Just like a garden, your financial life needs regular attention. Pull the weeds, plant the seeds, and watch your wealth flourish. 13. Money is a map. Follow it to reach your destination. If you've ever been on a road trip, you know how important a map is. Without it, you're just driving in circles. Well, money is your map to the future. It shows you where you're going, whether that's buying a house, retiring early, or traveling the world. But here's the catch. You have to know how to read the map. Most people are driving through life with no idea where they're headed financially. They're just hoping they'll stumble onto wealth by accident. If you want to reach your destination, you've got to plan your route and follow the map. 14. Money is like a relationship. Treat it well and it will treat you the same. Let's face it, your relationship with money is just like any other relationship. If you neglect it, take it for granted, or misuse it, things are going to go south. But if you respect it, nurture it, and work on improving it, your relationship with money will thrive. Too many people have a toxic relationship with their finances. They're either afraid of money or they misuse it. The key to financial success: treat your money like a partner. Work together, respect it, and watch how your relationship with wealth improves. 15. Money is a story. You get to write the ending. Here's something to think about. Money is a story, and you're the author. Every financial decision you make is a sentence in the story of your life. The great thing about stories, you can change the plot whenever you want. If you don't like where your financial story is heading, rewrite it. Start a new chapter with smarter habits, better investments, and a clearer vision of where you want to go. Your financial future is in your hands, and the ending is up to you. And one more bonus thought on money. Money is like a garden hose. Control the flow, don't let it leak. Think of your money like water running through a hose. If you don't control the flow, it leaks out all over the place, tiny, unnoticed drips that add up to a flood of lost potential. Those small purchases, unnecessary subscriptions, or impulse buys, they're the leaks in your hose. But when you tighten the nozzle and direct the flow where it's needed, into savings, investments, or growing your skills, your money can nourish your future. Control the flow, stop the leaks, and watch your financial garden thrive. Changing the way you think about money can revolutionize your entire life. Bob Proctor tells us, thoughts become things. If you see it in your mind, you will hold it in your hand. This means that your thoughts about money shape your financial reality. When you start viewing money as more than just a means to pay bills, it transforms from a source of stress into a powerful tool that can unlock the life you've always dreamed of. Every thought you have about money, every belief you hold, either builds your wealth or chips away at it. The key is to start nurturing positive, growth-oriented thoughts about money, seeing it as a force that works for you, rather than something that controls you. As you begin to shift your perspective, you'll notice changes not just in your bank account, but in your overall well-being. Money is no longer a source of anxiety, but a resource that can fuel your ambitions and secure your future. When you treat money with respect and align your financial actions with your goals, you empower yourself to make choices that lead to freedom and abundance. Instead of chasing money, you start to attract it. This shift in mindset not only improves your financial situation, but also brings a sense of peace and purpose as you realize that you are in control of your financial destiny. But how do you make this shift? Check out the link in the pinned comment that shows you the way. And before you go, let us know in the comments which of these money thoughts spoke to you the most, then spend more time with us to find out. The secret: money moves, the wealthy never, ever share.